Good afternoon, guys. So it's Tuesday, the 9th of September, and what to say, welcome back to my vlogs. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching my videos. For the past two videos, I went out on my bike, as in my motorbike, but today I am going out on my cycle. And welcome back to my usual cycle rides. Today, me, Debojyoti and Aoshi, we are going out somewhere. Now, where we are going and what the name of the place is, I won't tell you guys right now. So we have to travel for around 15 to 18 kilometers, and it's currently 3:30 in the afternoon, and we are leaving right now. So let me get ready, and I'll see you outside. Also, my last two videos are totally different from what you guys have been seeing on my channel. So I would really like it if you guys go and check out my previous two videos, and especially the moto vlog. I would really like to have your opinions on it, and I would be super glad if you guys go watch it and also share your views. Right now I'm close to Patuli, and as always I'm late again. Debojyoti and Aoshi, they are waiting, and I'm trying to ride as fast as possible, but the tire pressure right now is extremely low, and I really need to refill, or I really need to inflate the tires. I'm gonna do that after I meet Debojyoti and Aoshi, because if I do that right now, it will make me late even more, so I don't want that. Let's go and see Debojyoti, and I'll see you guys after then. Tying laces is one of the toughest jobs in the world. Debojyoti got himself new tires for his bike, and also he did not have disc brake on his rear wheel, so he got that right now. He's someone who really loves his bike. He spends a lot of money upgrading it and doing different things. I also love my bike, but then I'm not ready to customize right now, maybe later on. So it's 4 o'clock and we are leaving from Patuli. I don't know the exact direction of how to go and where to go. Debojyoti knows it. So I'm gonna show you guys whatever I get to see on the way, and also show you guys once I reach there. On the other hand, Rajoshi got the electric bike. If you have seen my previous video, like he had an electric bike, the Hero Electro, but then it had some problem, and he gave them back to repair it. The battery was not performing well. He was supposed to get a mileage of 20-25 kilometers, but then he was only getting a mileage of around 15 to 17 kilometers, and for that reason he gave them back. He gave the cycle back to Hero, and they said that they'll fix it. For today, Aoshi is riding his old bike. So we are at Anandapur right now, and we are stopped here because the Raoshi's cycle had some problems, the extension of his handlebar. He wanted to remove it, but then I was trying it. I couldn't do both the handles. Debojyoti is doing the other one. By the way, I asked Debojyoti the name of the place, where we are going. I also don't know, so I asked him what is the name of the place, but then his reply was, I don't know the name of the place. It's just that I found it out, and I have researched it somehow, and this is how we are going to go. Also, I couldn't find a shop where I can put air in the tires, because on the way I didn't spot anyone, not a single shop. I'm really hoping that I can find something on the road on the way, because the tire pressure is extremely low on both my wheels. I have to put extra efforts for practically no reason. We still have no clue where this place leads us. Like, at least I don't have any clue. I haven't seen the pictures as well nicely. So I really hope that it leads us to something nice. At least, you know, a nice getaway spot in the evening. So that would be something I would really like to see. I found a place. Hey Devo! How are Devo? Right now this place is all and too many people. I do not want to see too many people, but I'm hoping once we exit this place, exit this marketplace and enter somewhere else, we are going to get surprised. Kind of nice, this place. Like, I wish we could go there, but then I don't know how to go there. Neither does Devojyoti. But then I kind of, you know, enjoy riding on roads like this. I think everyone enjoys riding on roads like this. It's totally cool and very extremely cinematic. This road leads to Science City, like near Science City, and we are going this way. Saw it on the map that there are, you know, a lot of water bodies. Devojyoti found it out. Really hope that we go and see something nice. So see you guys once we reach there. No clue about this place. Nice. Seems like leads to a forest or something. Okay, with this side. One of the nicer grounds I've seen in Kolkata. It's really nice. It's caged and everything. Also, I cannot find Devojyoti and Raoshi, and I don't have any tower in my phone. Like, I don't know if they have like come to this area or not. I really have to find them ASAP. Okay, so there's a bad situation. I lost my GoPro accessory bag and it had the battery of my GoPro. So my GoPro is totally out of charge and I don't have an extra battery. I cannot use my GoPro anymore. So rest of the video will be out from this my iPhone. So something or the other actually goes wrong every time we go out on a ride. Raoshi cycle chain pore gaise. I lost my GoPro accessory bag and I lost the spare battery or the extra battery that is extremely needed for my GoPro. I don't think I'm going to get it back. Overexcited dogs. ठेले दी भी तो धक्का मेरे. So Raoshi went to get someone who can fix his bike, and I'm waiting, and I'm really sad. I lost my GoPro's battery. I have to order a completely new one. But then this is the very last video out of my GoPro. The charge is almost. Have a really nice view to admire and a real nice dog to play with. This dog is actually over friendly. Both of them are not. They are constantly coming at me and shouting. I don't know what's wrong with them. Both of them. The time right now is 5:50 and we are still waiting for Raushi's bike to get fixed. Like there is some issue with the chain. It's not a normal issue, so need a repairman to do that. And I have to go at home and order a new battery for my GoPro. Okay, so let me give you guys a complete understanding of where am I. This building right there, like I know it's very hard to see in this camera. I'll try to zoom in. So what you see out there, that is Arbana. On my right, that is Atmosphere. This is ITC, the new ITC. I have no clue what that is. And the guys out here, they told us that these buildings, they are the ones that are near Newtown. Pretty bad condition in terms of the light. Like there is no light, so I'm recording this on my back camera. My GoPro battery is over and the extra battery is lost. We're gonna sit here for 5 to 10 minutes, then we're gonna head back home. So I think I won't be able to record a lot while going back, because so this is how the place looks. It's totally dark out and everything. I think the best thing to do will be, stop the recording right now and see you guys once I get home. And this would be all for now. See you guys once I'm home. So just had something called butter coffee, and we are near Heritage College right now, Heritage School, College and whatever. So we had something called butter coffee and it was a totally different kind of thing that I tried. Not extremely tasty, but then something extremely unique. So leaving for home, on the way I'll look for my GoPro accessory bag. If I find it, it's good enough. Else I'll see you guys directly once I'm home. So I got home and I couldn't wait to even go and take my shower, because I got home, got very happy because I found the bag I was talking about. I did not find it on the road. The fact is I forgot to even take it out, and I really thought that I had that in my backpack, but it was not there. It was inside in my home only. So these are the mounts actually, but then I was not very sad about the mounts. I was getting sad because this is extremely important if you use a GoPro, because hardly the battery stays, and you definitely need 2 batteries to at least make one proper vlog using the GoPro. So that's it. My ride is over. I got back home. It's 9 o'clock in the night and I am happy that I found the bag, and I found the accessory bag and all the mounts and especially the battery. So that's it for today. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed watching the video about the ride that we went on today. It's near Dhapa. The main bypass that you saw, it was Bashwanti Highway. So after traveling for some time on Bashwanti Highway towards Science City, there was this point where on right the main road goes and it finally leads you to Science City. But then there is a small narrow lane on your left, and that leads to the place we went on. So the place where we went, it's full of water bodies, it's nice and everything, but then we could not stay there much because it was getting dark. Like most of the time I'm going out on rides, it gets dark, because every time I'm late, can't help it. But then the roads we traveled on, they were really nice. They were super green and everything, and that was a completely different road. I never traveled there, I never went there. Really had a lot of fun today, and I really hope that you guys also had a fun time watching this video. As always, if you guys have enjoyed watching the video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video. If you are seeing my face and my videos for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button. Please subscribe. Comment down anything you have to say regarding this video or regarding anything. Just comment down whatever your thoughts are. I am super live in the comment section and I'll be super glad to get your comments. And finally, share this video among your friends if you know someone who is into riding, riding cycles, because there are a lot of cyclists in Kolkata right now and they are going out on rides every now and then. So if you know someone like this who can watch this video and get inspired to go on rides like this, small rides, small getaways like this, evening getaways, then please share this video among your friends. New video coming up on Sunday. Can't wait to see you guys very soon. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of the people around you, and I'll see you next time. These are the kind of things I do on a daily basis just to make sure I get a nice footage. So right now my GoPro is hanging on the carrier of Raushi's bike.